We just arrived, no? And had dinner here. Tokyo Station. Dito na kami lumabas sa Marunouchi South Entrance. That's the entrance. No? Sa exit kami lumabas. But I would like to experience yung Tokyo na this is our third or fourth time sa Tokyo. But ito yung mga high-rise buildings nila here. No. We'll be taking a taxi to our Airbnb. Where is our Airbnb located?
Asakusa.
In Asakusa. No? In mga 5 kilometers na siguro from here, no?
Yeah, around.
Okay na. So, contrast to sa yung kanina daming tao. Bakit konti na naman dito lagi?
Baka nag-contact na. Or sa loob
Eh?
sila ng station na.
Sabi, no? Or this is one area na grabing underground ng Tokyo Station. Weather today is 5 to 6 degrees daw. Medyo malamig.
Ano tayo?
We'll be taking Uber lang, no? Uber mo, no? Okay. So, very wide roads here in Tokyo. Sabi nila expensive yung mga taxis. Medyo slightly expensive. But you don't have any choice. Especially if you have so many luggages like this one. So we'll be taking an Uber van going to our Airbnb. We're just observing yung flow ng traffic here while nasa CR pa sila. The road conditions here, no? Super organized, super malinis. Okay, magbook ka na. Saan yung taxi? I think yung pick up dito, oh. Pwedeng pick up. Ito. Dito, pick up. Ito, pick up. Yes, ang taxi.